Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rohan PAWAR, studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. My department is Computer Science, specialized in Artificial Intelligence. My USN is 1VE23 CA037, semester 3rd. Course code is BCS301. Course title is Mathematics for Computer Science. This video's title is Introduction to Markov Chain. Definition of Markov Chain is a mathematical system that experiences transitions from one state to another within a finite or countable number of possible states. Key properties. The probability of moving to the another state depends only on the current state, not on the sequence of events that preceded it. This is known as memoryless property. Real world applications is like weather prediction, weather forecasting websites and all, stock market analysis, text generation, genetics and more. Basic concepts and terminologies in Markov chain. States. The possible condition or situation in which a system can exist. Transition probability, the probability of moving from one state to another. Transition matrix, a matrix that shows the probability of moving from each state to the another state. Observing and transit state. Observing state, once entered you can't leave. Example, an end state. Transit state, a temporary states that can be left from another state. Markov chain, this is a transitions matrix. The Markov chain properties. Only the current state affects the probability of the transition state. Example, a weather model where the tomorrow's weather depends only on today's weather, not on the prior dates. Future state depends only on the prior state. Conditional property of future. Memoryless nature of Markov chain. Key point. Example of Markov chain is weather forecasting. An app where shows the weather prediction of today's, tomorrow's and the next day's upcoming. States sunny and rainy. Transition probabilities are like probability it states sunny is 0.8. Probability it turns rainy after a sunny day is 0.2. Probability it states rainy 0.6. Probability it turns sunny after a rainy day is 0.4. Shows a transition state based on these probabilities. What is transition matrix? A table that organizes transition properties depend between states like this. State 1, state example, each cell represents the probability of transitions from one state to another state. One more example is like a board game where a player's position on the board as states depends on the current position. Next moves depends on the current position. Observing state, which we have already discussed. Types of Markov chain. Indivisible, periodic. Discrete time Markov chain. Transition at fixed time step. Continuous time Markov chain. Transition at any time, often moduled with rates rather than probabilities. Observing chain have at least one observing state. Periodic, every state can be visited, irreducible and replicable, reached from another state. Some applications like text generation predicting the next word in the sequence sentence, like when we are typing in our mobile or our devices, after typing some letters of the word we get the prediction of the word which we are going to type. Stock price movement, modeling price changes with a random transition. Customer behavior, predicting next action based on the current activities. Example, browsing to purchasing, many other. Conclusion of the Markov chain. Summary. A Markov chain are used to model system where the next states depends only on the current state. There are versatile tools of analyzing random processes, particularly in areas like finance, language processing, and biological systems. Advantages and limitations of Markov chain are: advantages, simply yet powerful for systems with memoryless property, applicable in wide variety of fields. Limitations, assumes only the current state matters, no long term memory, may not capture complex dependency. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like for my video.